To get the Amazon FBA shipping address for sending your inventory, follow these steps. Log into Seller Central. Access your Amazon Seller Central account with your credentials. Create a shipping plan. Navigate to Inventory and select Manage FBA Inventory. Choose the items you want to ship and click on Send or Replenish Inventory. Prepare shipment. Follow the prompts to enter shipment details, including the quantity of each product. Choose your packaging type, individual products or case-packed products. Label products. Amazon requires FNSKU labels on each item. Print and attach these labels according to Amazon's guidelines. Select shipping method. Choose whether you will use Amazon's partnered carrier or your own shipping method. Get warehouse address. After completing the shipment details, Amazon will assign a specific FBA warehouse based on your product type and shipping method. Amazon will provide the address of the FBA warehouse where you need to send your product. Print shipping labels. Amazon will generate shipping labels with the FBA warehouse address included. Print and attach these labels to your shipment boxes. Ship your inventory. Send your packages to the provided FBA warehouse address using the chosen carrier.